I'm taking a video because I just want to see your reaction.
What do you mean?
Because I want to prove something. I signed you up for something today, and I don't want you to get mad, okay?
You signed me up for something?
Yes. I signed you up for anger management courses, okay? Why are you laughing?
What you signed me up for anger management course for?
Because, babe, everyone sees how angry you get when I do pranks on you. And you get really angry. So you need to go to anger management classes. I already signed you up.
You need anger management class yourself. You's the one who need anger management, not me.
But I already signed you up, babe. So what are you going to do?
Babe, listen. Any mad when we get mad or any angry when we get angry, you cause it. I don't just get angry. I'm not sick. I'm not psycho.
So what are you going to do? Are you going to go or not?
No, you have to go first. You need it more than me.